What's so funny, TSM?
Disco Bob, yeah, let's go. Disco Bob, let's go. Tune in to Disco Bob, YouTube right now, let's go. Hey, Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob.
Hello everyone, I hope everybody's awesome and safe out there. So happy Tuesday to everyone. I hope everybody's had a great Tuesday and a great Tuesday evening so far. So yesterday I tried the Fruity Pebbles crunched. So this time I'm trying the Cocoa Pebbles crunched. So I had to try the other one. So I try one, I have to try another. I saw Roosevelt's reviews. Just do a review on these. I just watched one of his videos earlier today. So I'm going to put the name of his channel in my description box of this video. So check out his channel. He's really a really great reviewer, the trendy reviewer. So definitely check out his channel. He tried these. And we'll see. I'll try them myself, and I mean, I probably know what they taste like, but because I like Cocoa Pebbles, so let's give these a try. You can smell the chocolate, the cocoa right off the bat. That's what they look like, and they're the stars also. They're the stars, so just like the other. So I got my trusty 2% milk, like always. Always got my trusty 2% milk. So we'll pour that in. Pour that into there. Was that heavy on these styrofoam? Got to be careful of these styrofoam bowls. So there's 140 calories, one cup, one serving is 140 calories and 9 servings in this box. So I like these shapes, you know. Really crunchy. I know Roosevelt mentioned in his video when he did the review on this, these are good, but I know he did, on the review he did with these, he said he noticed the chocolate don't last as long in these big ones like they do the regular Cocoa Pebbles. I'm going to say I'm going to have to agree. He is right about that. I noticed, I think it's because, it might be because these are bigger and it probably takes more chocolate, the flavoring maybe, than the other. Just saying, maybe. You know, maybe that's the reason. As you figure, Cocoa Pebbles is like the rice, you know, the rice puff cereal, and it is, and it's smaller, and it would hold the flavor. Now the Fruity Pebbles did hold the flavor a good bit, but he is kind of right. This doesn't have this. This does. This does hold its flavor when you first bite into it. But to me, I don't think this is quite as chocolatey as the regular Cocoa Pebbles. You know, and just, you know, and that's my opinion too, you know. After I watched his video, I wanted to try these to see for myself, but and I agree, they do have the chocolate when you first bite into them, you know, when you first eat them, but they are good, but the cocoa doesn't last long in these like they do like regular. He's right about that, you know. But I wanted to see for myself, but other than that, they're good. They're good. But I do like the regular Cocoa Krispies, Cocoa Pebbles better than these a little bit because of they got more of a chocolate flavor. And he's right about that. He said that in his review. All right. It is what it is. But I did like the Fruity Pebbles version of this. But I think this is a neat cereal. You know, I think this is a neat cereal, a neat concept. You know, something really cool, something different. So, but hey, I hope everybody enjoyed this review on these new Cocoa Pebbles Crunched. But hey, you know, it is what it is. But his channel is going to be in the description box. But I just, like I said, I watched his review yesterday, or well, today. Today I watched his review. But yeah, definitely don't have the quite as the cocoa flavor as the regular Cocoa Pebbles. But hey, thanks everybody for your support. And I hope everybody enjoys the rest of your Tuesday evening and the rest of your Tuesday. So everybody have a good one.
What's so funny, TSM?
You tuned in with the disco Bob. Let's go disco Bob.